Hello friends, my name is Jatin Manuel. Today I am here you to teach the 10th class chapter 2nd of chemistry, acids and base. Acid. What is acid? Acids are the chemical substance. Chemical substance. Which are sour in taste. In the aqueous solution, they release H positive ions. H positive ions in presence of water. Now, second, what is base? These are also chemical substances. Which are soapy to touch. Soapy to touch. And bitter in taste. They also release hydroxide in aqueous solution, means hydroxide ions in presence of water. We cannot touch or taste every substance. So friends, we don't touch and taste every substance. So we use indicator to identify that the substance is acidic or basic in nature. Mainly the indicator is litmus paper, turmeric, methyl, orange, etc. So firstly we use turmeric, litmus, acid and base. Litmus. When we take firstly the red litmus, so in acid there is no change, but the red litmus change the color in base. It changes into blue color. This is the case of red litmus paper. So in case of blue litmus paper, in the blue litmus paper there is change in acid. It change into blue, and there is no change in base. So we take more example like turmeric. In acid, it changes its color into yellowish, and in base, it changes its color into reddish. So now we will talk about what is pH. pH. It is a term which is used to identify the strongness and weakness of the acid and base. Acid and base. pH has a scale which is 0 to 14. Mid is 7. When the substance pH value is 7, it is neutral. It is neutral. When we go 7 to 0, it is acid. And when we go 7 to 14, it is base. And there are the many values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. When we go 7, 8, it is basic, 7 to 14, and 7 to 0, they also are acids. Do you know what strongness and weakness of the acid and base? When we go 7 to 0, they strong acid, and when we go 7 to 14, they are strong base. Highest which base pH value is 14, it is the strongest base, and pH value of acid is 0, it is a strong acid. And mids like 6 is a weakest acid, and in base 8 is the weakest base. I think you will catch it. Thank you and have a nice day.